When running an e-commerce website using WordPress, you are in a race with 5 million competitors. Standing out of the crowd is a tough job. You must present data concisely and attractively. And a good table plugin can make all the difference in showcasing product comparisons, creating pricing tables, and managing inventory. Today, I'll share some of my takeaways on how you can leverage a WordPress table builder plugin to optimize your online store. And I'm gonna use Ninja tables to show how this works. So let's get started. A well-structured product table is a crucial element of any successful online store. Yeah, I know that you know that it's pretty obvious, but when you integrate your table builder with an e-commerce platform like WooCommerce, you ensure seamless product data management and enhance user experience. Trust me, this single integration is definitely gonna save your day by facilitating essential tasks like efficient inventory management and dynamic pricing updates. In short, WooCommerce integration elevates your table builder from a display tool to a powerful sales engine, driving sales and customer satisfaction. Customers often rely on comparison tables to make informed purchasing decisions. They are useful in so many ways. Firstly, a comparison table helps customers compare products side by side, providing a clear view of features, specifications, and prices. Besides, well-detailed comparison tables keep customers engaged, encouraging them to spend more time on your site. With all the essential information in one place, you reduce the time customers spend searching all over, which essentially leads to quicker purchasing decisions. While prices can be included in product comparison tables, dedicated pricing tables serve a different purpose. A well-crafted pricing table actually can guide customers to the best choice, clearly presenting different pricing tiers, enhancing user experience, and increasing conversions. Well, creating a pricing table can be tricky. The rule of thumb is to present the information clearly and precisely, exposing as many features as possible and making it easy and intuitive for a user to make the best choice. Now imagine you have created a table, but it's unattractive, cluttered, and hard to read. Picture the frustration of your customers. Do you know the percentage of internet users who access the internet using a mobile phone of some kind? It's 92.3%. Wow, that's 9 in 10 people. So your table builder must provide stunning design and responsiveness when the stat looks like that. But of course, you must also ensure your data is easy to use on any screen size, from big monitors to small smartphones. In addition, having access to pre-made template can further simplify the design process and ensure your tables look professional and consistent, saving you time and effort. Your data tables need to be interactive like you guys are with us. It's crucial to ensure your tables not only display information, but also allow effortless sorting, searching, and real-time data exploration. With features like pagination for managing large datasets, dynamic updates for instant changes, or clickable rows or cells for detailed insights, you can enhance user experience significantly. You know what? There could be more, like incorporating hover effect and further improve customer engagement. So next time, keep these elements in mind because they collectively transform data interaction, making it more intuitive and rewarding for your audience. Okay, it's not 80s anymore. Customers will go for the best option with the best personalization. Seasonal deals and discounts incorporated in tables are more attractive with the vibe you want to give your customers. Showcase your website to match the current season. Additionally, you can use other tactics like FOMO, fear of missing out. I'm sure you all know about this great psychological tactic. By instilling a sense of urgency and scarcity around seasonal promotions and discounts, you can utilize other effective strategies such as countdowns, exclusive access, and compelling visual content to amplify this effect to drive engagement and conversions. Building credibility and trust in customer reviews and testimonials is a must. When you showcase your customers' success stories in your data table along with products, you demonstrate real-world examples of how your products or services have benefited others. This builds loyalty and makes them more likely to buy from you repeatedly. Customer reviews serve as social proof. showcasing hesitant shoppers that others have already found your products worthwhile. Moreover, it's not only about just new buyers, it's also about nurturing the existing customer relationships, right? A WordPress table becomes more engaging when its data is dynamic. Imagine having a table that leads your customers to limitless possibilities. For example, you can guide them to visit recommended websites that offer complementary services or products, provide valuable resources, number calculations, or showcase related content that enriches their experience and meet their needs. Finally, I cannot stress enough how important a SEO-friendly table builder can be for boosting your business to new heights. This helps your website rank higher in search engines by making your content more visible and easier to understand. In other words, it makes sure that your contents are well structured in a way that the search engine understands, driving more organic traffic to your site. So these are my takeaways on leveraging WordPress Table Builder. I hope you find these insights valuable for enhancing your e-commerce strategies. If there are any aspects I may have missed or topics you would like us to cover next, feel free to drop your ideas in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.